Are you one of those who want to utilize their free time to learn something about web development? If yes, then please watch this video from the starting till the end and I would be telling you everything about web development. Hey guys, hello, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing video of Technical Zone. You are watching Technical Zone and I'm Umar, and today I am going to tell you everything about web development and how should you start your web development journey. Without wasting any time, let's quickly begin with this video. Before telling you and guiding you that how should you start web development, let me quickly tell you that what is web development actually. Web development is a skill which will help you to become a full stack web developer. For starting with web development, or let's say making websites, you should know three languages. Number one, HTML, number two, CSS, and the last one, JavaScript. And after learning these three languages, you can start making your custom web pages and also websites, and you can also post these websites on the internet if you just master these three languages. And I'm going to tell you all the importance of all these three languages with the help of an analogy. Let's take an example of a human body. If you are adding HTML to your website or you are just using HTML, then it means that you are making a skeleton. Skeleton is very ugly and it is very simple and straightforward. Basically, if you will design your websites only with HTML, then they will look like this. Next, if you are adding CSS on top of your HTML, then it means that you are adding muscles and also skin on your skeleton. A little bit improvement will come and you will be able to beautify and decorate your web pages, and it will look a little better. Last but not the least, if you are adding JavaScript to your web pages, then you are providing your web pages with logic, or let's say that you are giving brain to the human body, which will make the human body complete. JavaScript is important, but at the very same time it is optional. With this note, let's move forward. If you are not a web developer and you are just going to begin with web development, then I will suggest you that you don't learn CSS or JavaScript. I will rather suggest you that you learn HTML with the full concentration and invest at least 2 months in learning HTML. And then after that, you learn utility class frameworks, or you can say like Tailwind CSS and Bootstrap to design your websites. Don't learn CSS in the very first go. First, you have to develop your interest. Your first focus should be developing your interest. Clone web pages, I will say. And I will say if you want to learn JavaScript, then learn the basics of JavaScript. And then try to add that JavaScript to your websites. You master another framework of JavaScript. You can use React, you can use MongoDB, or I will say that you can just try out Next.js, which is the best framework of JavaScript. With this note, let's move forward. I'm giving you one suggestion with my experience. Please go with the best software which is available for coding, and don't use Notepad or Notepad++ because they have a very boring interface. Try out something new. I am suggesting you Visual Studio Code, which is a software of Microsoft. It is free of cost and it will develop, or it will increase the curiosity of making websites in you. It will help you to make websites with its simple design. I will say it is simple as well as very useful. You can add extensions into it. I will say use Tab9, which is an extension of Visual Studio Code, which will help you to make websites, I will say, 3 times more faster. Please do use a good software for coding. The last point of discussion is that what are you going to do of the skill which you have mastered? There are 3 things which you can do if you are of the age group 12 to 18 and you have mastered web development. Number one, you can start a YouTube channel in which you will educate others about web development. You will tell about your web development journey and you will teach these 3 programming languages, namely JS, HTML and CSS, to others. Number two, you can become a freelancer in which you are going to register yourself to a freelancing website and people will come with their demands and requests to you for the making of a website, and they are going to pay you a certain amount of money and you have to deliver that website in the specified time. Number three, and the last thing which you can do is keep the experience or the skill with you. There are many developers who are making websites for their personal benefits. For example, you can make an image identifier website and you can keep that website to yourself only. So guys, these are the 3 things which you can do after web development. I wish that this small video has told you a lot about web development, and if this video was helpful to you, please do subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share this video with your friends and family. Very soon I will bring another amazing video related to web development. Till then, goodbye.